Hey y'all, so for my derby hat, I chose a beautiful hot pink. These are easy to find. I found this one at Target. It was $10. What I did was I went to Hobby Lobby and I found some of this really pretty satin black ribbon. So I'm gonna start out probably by putting it around the band. I also found some of this netting. This is different from tulle. This is the netting that you can buy that you see for wedding bells and things. We're gonna try to incorporate some of our bling wrap, and then of course all the beautiful pieces that you see here tonight is available on totallydazzled.com. All right, let me think how I wanna start this. Part of me wanted a little bit of a veil coming down like you used to see kind of back in the day. I'm not sure if that's gonna work. We're gonna try it. Because I wanna do that before I put my black ribbon on there. So let me see how far this will go. Might just kind of hang it off a little bit. I thought it might look neat. You know, this is the first time for me to try one of these. So we're gonna see how it goes here. All right, let me get my little finger protectors on, get all my things, my little spatula here. Okay, so this is what I did so far. We'll see how it works. But I just went ahead and ruched this a little bit with the hot glue, just so it comes down just a little bit. I don't want it going down very far. So that's what I've done so far. Not very exciting yet. I'm gonna go ahead and take some of this. All right, I'm gonna start, turn it around. I'm gonna go ahead and start where I started the netting so that when we come back around, it'll be hidden. That's what we have so far, pretty plain, just yet. Now, I went down the aisles at Hobby Lobby and looked at different kinds of feathers. They've got the traditional, just regular little feathers. Then I found these really fancy looking, look at these, y'all. They're just kind of like little, almost like plumes. Aren't those cool? Thought we could incorporate some of those too. So let me see how I want to do this. Put a little bling on here. I've got this strip here that I'd already cut out. I wonder if we could just do that kind of like on that strip. I'm gonna do that anyway. We're just gonna keep building and see what happens. That's all I did was add a little piece, just a half piece, okay? We're gonna keep building on it. Get all these strings off. Okay, now I've got these flowers. These are big flowers. Might have to cut the middle out. And let me just take my wire cutters. I'm just gonna keep building. These were at Hobby Lobby. They were on sale. There's a pretty center in there, if y'all can see that. It's kind of dome shaped. So I'm gonna cut that so it'll be flat. Kind of have to get all that cut away so that it'll lay for you. See if I can get it to go on here. It's kind of a heavy flower, not gonna lie. It's a work in progress, y'all. See the flower? We're gonna put some bling in there. That would be cool. Y'all, hold on. Hold on, let me get my twine. It'll be hidden, so it doesn't matter. I just made one of these little, like almost like a shoelace bow. I do that sometimes where I just tie things in the middle and it'll fan out. Even ribbon, you can do that. Just layer it. I'm gonna make a little one here. We're gonna glue that by that flower. I mean, some of these hats get really elaborate, don't they? Okay, y'all, just simple. I'm gonna tuck this behind and it'll help kind of hide this back of this flower too. I know it doesn't look like much, but I just added a little bit back there on the back. We're gonna put a feather there, and we're gonna put a feather here. And we're just gonna kind of go with it. I thought the feathers would make it fancy, but all right. I have these really big brooches, y'all. I love these pieces right here. I'm gonna see if we can get that in there. It's a really big, I don't know, we're gonna try. And this one has a little, it is a brooch, so it had a pin on the back, and then you can just easily remove those, kind of work it back and forth with some wire cutters. Talk about seeing you coming. Can you imagine if you were walking out in the daylight with the sun hitting that? Beautiful. Let's just see what y'all think. I'm sticking it up under the netting to come out down off of the hat rather than up there at the top. Do y'all like that better or worse? Get all these little strands off. Y'all know my trick for that. Get you a little paintbrush. That's all I use this for, is to pick this stuff out. Use some more of this bling wrap. Let me just think about this. I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me cut some more. This is so easy to cut, y'all. And these little feathers I bought, I don't know. Y'all see what I mean? They're all different when they come out, and they're not very long. They just looked pretty in the package. Maybe we could do a couple. Let's just see. We're gonna make this crazy, because after all, that's what they're all about, right? Blingy. What I did was I added some more bling on the side so that they'll match. And then I added these 2 pieces of the little ones, and I stuck them to the hat so that they'll stay up. And then we've got the other ones on the bottom. I'm telling you, we may put one at the very back here. That would be really cute. There you go. So that is my take on a hot pink and black Kentucky Derby hat. Look at that piece of bling, y'all. Look how big this is. It's huge.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.